many of you know, I got a GoFundMe page going. My buddy started for me. I think it was December 21st. Actually, 2 days after I got this, my first ever money from photography. I thought I was going to be able to make some money from it. And 2 days later, I seen this barrel sitting on the edge of the lake. And it looked cool against the background of a building, so I pull my car over. I go out and I go to shoot it. I'm like, oh, I want to change lenses. I go back to the car, change lenses, forget to lock my door. I take my pictures, I walk around a little bit, and I come back to the car. Camera bag is gone. Brand new camera bag, too. I just got it like a week before. So, I had 3 lenses in there. I had my new flash, white balance cards, all kinds of Tiffen filters, extra batteries, my e-cigarette batteries, and, cleaning cloth, and the blower, all of it gone. And all I was left with was a failing 20D that does not like to do anything, and my old kit lens from 2006. This thing took a dump on me, so now I'm left with my old Rebel XT and some lens I bought for $2 at a thrift store. 28 to 90. It is soft as hell. But it's not easy taking portraits with this baby. Anyhow, there's been a lot of donations. I have medical issues and I can only work part-time, about 15 hours a week, and that's a minimum wage. And how I originally got my camera stuff was by trading in all the music stuff I got when I was 20 years old. Finally traded that all in, bought camera gear, and I just cannot, I don't have the funds to buy one lens alone, and my camera bag is $400. So, it's not easy asking for help, but my buddy set it up, and a lot of my friends and family have donated, and if you donated, I just want to say thank you. And I haven't even met half of you that donated, and that's just crazy that you would do that. That still blows my mind. Whether it's $1 or $50, it's pretty damn cool. Almost at the goal, about 52%, I think. And it's kind of stalled out because they say you're supposed to promote these things, but I just feel horrible about promoting it. But if you could, like and share, and maybe we'll hit the goal. Thanks.